I went to Dr. Hood because I had chronic asthma. I was on 4 to 5 different medications and I was sick all the time. It took about a year for me to notice a difference. I started breathing easier, I took less medications, and now I hardly ever get sick. I'm not on those same asthma meds anymore. I very rarely need them, and I just breathe a lot better.
I've had headaches all my life, and I became so used to them I didn't realize I had headaches because I had them so often. After the very first adjustment, when I got off the table, I noticed my headache was gone. And it was the first time I felt like I was free from a headache.
I started going to Hood Chiropractic with my family. During that time, I was playing sports. I got a football-related injury in my neck, and it hurt quite a bit. I couldn't get the pain to go away. Dr. Hood actually noticed that I was having troubles with it, and he fixed it all up for me.
I have been bronchial all my entire life. They have done wonders for me. According to my chart, I very seldom have even a cold now, nevertheless having bronchitis.
I got my first inhaler when I was 4, and we went to Dr. Hood's when I was 8 years old. After going for 6 months, I saw some improvement with my asthma, and so did my parents. And after a year, I was totally off my inhaler and my meds.
I started going to Hood Chiropractic because my family was going. I personally have always been a fairly healthy person, but I did discover that I had high blood pressure. And within 6 months of going to Hood Chiropractic, that blood pressure had dropped to normal levels.
By the time I hit a little bit past my 20th birthday, they wanted to remove my ovaries. They told me that I had endometriosis and that I'd never be able to have children. I'd like to introduce you to my daughter Caroline. She is the daughter I was told that I would never be able to have, and if I was going to have her, I was going to have to undergo a lot of treatments for fertility. Coming to Hood Chiropractic is a normal part of our weekly routine. We come in and we make sure that we get adjusted, and it keeps not just myself, my husband, but also our daughter healthy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Christopher Hood.
And I'm Dr. Danielle Hood. One of the main reasons my husband and I became chiropractors was because we knew through personal experience the dramatic improvements possible in a wide range of health issues through chiropractic care.
I walked away from a successful career in pharmacy when it became clear to me that prescribing medications to control symptoms was simply masking the problem and not treating the underlying cause.
Patient response to our care and techniques for obtaining and maintaining good health has been overwhelmingly positive.
With the knowledge of the importance of your spine and central nervous system to your overall health comes the personal power to make positive changes. Chiropractic is built on 3 principles. Number 1, the human body is designed to be self-healing and self-regulating. Number 2, the brain and nervous system control all function and all healing inside the body. Number 3, an unhealthy spine interferes with the nervous system and damages your body's natural ability to heal and to regulate itself. A condition known as subluxation interferes with your spine and nervous system and, left untreated, can have unexpected and debilitating consequences. Subluxations are misalignments of the spinal bones that impede the nerves as they exit from the spine on their way to every vital organ of your body. Subluxations occur from incidents we've experienced all the way back to birth, when a doctor pulls and twists a newborn's neck during delivery. Other examples include falls while learning to walk, tripping and slipping, sudden impacts from sports and stunts, and moving vehicle accidents. More subtle behaviors that cause subluxations include poor posture and repeated motions, such as talking on the phone with no hands. Subluxations are usually painless in the earliest stages, but they are the root cause of most of the chronic health conditions from which people suffer. Asthma, diabetes, migraines, hypertension, even infertility are all conditions that can be caused by subluxations. And like untreated metal framework slowly rusting, untreated spinal joints deteriorate over time, causing arthritis and a host of other problems as we age. As the spine breaks down, it distorts your posture, which accelerates damage to your central nervous system. And then we become more susceptible to sickness and disease, including heart disease and cancer, the two most common causes of death in North America. But it doesn't have to be this way. People with healthy, well-aligned spines have strong functioning nervous systems, and studies prove that a healthy spine and nerve system are key factors in disease prevention and reversal. So let's see how much of this you remember. What is your body's lifeline? If you said your spine, you're right. Do subluxations always cause pain? If you answered no, you're right. Oftentimes, subluxations can go unnoticed while causing health problems. What are misalignments of the spinal bones called? If you said subluxations, you're correct. How do subluxations affect your health? Subluxations put pressure on nerves exiting the spine and impede your body's ability to heal itself. When do subluxations occur? Come on, I know you can do it. Subluxations can occur anytime from birth onward. What's the key to maintaining optimal health for you and your family? Very good. Maintaining a healthy spine is the key to maintaining optimal health for you and your family. In just a few moments, we will be asking you some questions and performing tests, including low radiation x-rays to determine the health of your spine. X-rays are taken to reveal subluxations. They help us more precisely locate areas where deterioration and damage may be occurring without your knowledge. We will check for damage that is never healed properly, and we'll look for hereditary problems that may have been passed from parent to child. On your next visit, we'll review our findings with you and inform you if chiropractic care will be beneficial, how often we'll need to see you, how long the process will take, and how much it'll cost.
The goal of Hood Chiropractic doctors and staff is to get your spine back to the healthiest state possible.
And to help you understand how chiropractic care, proper nutrition, exercise, and a positive attitude help to optimize and maintain that life force within all of us.
Congratulations on choosing this natural path to improving your health.